For centuries, the open sea held both adventure and peril. Sailors, braving the vast unknown, faced many dangers. Among the most feared was scurvy, a debilitating disease. Scurvy plagued sailors on long voyages, causing fatigue, weakness, and eventually death. The cure, surprisingly, came in the form of a humble fruit, the lemon. Lemons, packed with vitamin C, became a lifeline for sailors battling scurvy. British ships began carrying lemons on voyages, earning British sailors the nickname limeys. This simple practice revolutionized seafaring. It dramatically reduced the incidence of scurvy. This highlighted the importance of lemons in maritime history. Long before their seafaring fame, lemons were revered in ancient healing traditions. In Ayurveda, the traditional medicine of India, lemons hold a place of honor. Ayurvedic practitioners recognized the lemon's potent properties. They valued its cleansing and detoxifying effects. Lemons are believed to balance all three doshas in Ayurveda, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. This makes them incredibly versatile in Ayurvedic practices. From digestive tonics to skin remedies, lemons play a vital role in Ayurvedic medicine. They are used to address a wide range of health concerns. The lemon's journey from its native Southeast Asia is a testament to its value. Traded along ancient routes, lemons reached the Mediterranean. There they were embraced by various cultures. The Romans, known for their appreciation of fine food, incorporated lemons into their cuisine. During the Middle Ages, lemons continued to be prized for their culinary and medicinal uses. They added zest to dishes and were used to preserve food. Their juice, a natural antiseptic, found its way into traditional remedies. From ancient empires to medieval kitchens, lemons left their mark on history. In today's world, we may not face scurvy on the high seas, but the need for strong immunity remains crucial. Lemons, with their rich vitamin C content, continue to be a powerful ally in supporting our immune systems. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. This antioxidant power is essential in boosting our body's defenses against infections. Lemons also contain flavonoids, plant compounds known for their anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Regularly incorporating lemons into our diet can help fortify our immune system. This makes us less susceptible to common colds and other infections. Digestive health is paramount for overall well-being, and lemons offer a helping hand in keeping our gut happy. The citric acid in lemons stimulates the production of bile, a fluid crucial for breaking down fats. This aids in smoother digestion and prevents indigestion. Lemons also promote healthy bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. Furthermore, lemons have antibacterial properties. These can help combat harmful bacteria in the gut, promoting a balanced microbiome. Adding a squeeze of lemon to your water or meals can significantly improve your digestive health. The pursuit of radiant skin is a tale as old as time, and lemons have long been a staple in natural beauty remedies. From ancient civilizations to modern-day skincare enthusiasts, the humble lemon has been celebrated for its multifaceted benefits. The high vitamin C content in lemons plays a vital role in collagen production. This essential nutrient not only boosts the immune system but also contributes significantly to skin health. Collagen is the protein responsible for maintaining skin's elasticity and firmness. As we age, collagen production naturally decreases, leading to sagging skin and wrinkles. Incorporating lemons into your skincare routine can help counteract this process. This helps prevent wrinkles and premature aging, keeping your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Furthermore, lemon's antioxidant properties protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and environmental stressors. These antioxidants neutralize harmful molecules, reducing oxidative stress and promoting skin health. This helps maintain a healthy, even complexion. Regular use of lemon-based products can lead to a noticeable improvement in skin tone and texture. From DIY face masks to simply adding a squeeze of lemon to your water, harnessing the power of lemons can lead to naturally glowing skin. Whether you choose to apply it topically or consume it, the benefits are undeniable. Embrace the natural goodness of lemons and let your skin shine with health and radiance. Chronic diseases are a growing concern, but nature offers powerful allies in the fight against them, and lemons are no exception. Lemons are packed with antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress is linked to the development of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants protect our cells from damage and reduce the risk of these diseases. Lemon's high antioxidant content makes them a valuable addition to a diet aimed at preventing chronic diseases. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide, but making heart-healthy choices can significantly reduce your risk. One of the simplest yet most effective changes you can make is incorporating more heart-healthy foods into your diet. Among these, lemons stand out for their unique nutritional profile. Lemons, with their unique blend of nutrients, can play a supportive role in maintaining cardiovascular health. They are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients that contribute to overall heart wellness. The fiber in lemons, particularly pectin, can help lower cholesterol levels. Pectin binds to cholesterol in the digestive system, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream, which in turn helps to reduce overall cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease. By lowering cholesterol levels, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing heart-related issues. Lemons also contain potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Potassium works by balancing out the negative effects of sodium and easing tension in the blood vessel walls. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is crucial in preventing heart attacks and strokes. Regular consumption of potassium-rich foods like lemons can help you achieve this goal. Incorporating lemons into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your heart health. Whether you add lemon juice to your water, zest to your salads, or slices to your tea, these small changes can make a big difference. So next time you think about heart health, remember the humble lemon and its powerful benefits. The power of scent to influence our mood and mental state is well documented. Aromatherapy, the therapeutic use of essential oils, harnesses this power to promote well-being. Lemon essential oil, with its bright and uplifting aroma, is a popular choice for its mood-boosting effects. The scent of lemon is known to reduce stress and anxiety. It can also enhance mood and improve cognitive function. Adding a few drops of lemon essential oil to a diffuser or simply enjoying the scent of a freshly cut lemon can have a positive impact on your mental state. The fight against cancer is a complex one, and researchers are constantly exploring new avenues for prevention and treatment. Lemons have shown some promise in this area, with studies suggesting potential anti-cancer properties. Certain compounds found in lemons, particularly flavonoids, have demonstrated anti-tumor activity in laboratory studies. These compounds appear to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. While more research is needed to fully understand the role of lemons in cancer prevention and treatment, these early findings offer a glimmer of hope. From ancient healing traditions to modern scientific research, lemons have earned their place as a nutritional powerhouse. These vibrant yellow fruits have been cherished for centuries, not just for their refreshing taste, but for their remarkable health benefits. Their journey through history is a testament to their versatility and the myriad health benefits they offer. From ancient markets where they were traded as precious commodities to contemporary kitchens where they are a staple ingredient, lemons have always been valued. Whether it's boosting our immune system, aiding digestion, enhancing skin health, or supporting heart health, lemons provide a natural and delicious way to enhance our well-being. Their high vitamin C content is crucial for immune function, while their antioxidants help combat inflammation and promote overall health. Lemons are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be used to add a zesty flavor to both sweet and savory dishes, making them a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. From refreshing lemonades to tangy desserts and savory marinades, the culinary possibilities are endless. So, the next time life hands you lemons, embrace their tangy goodness and reap the rewards of this timeless tonic. Not only do they enhance the flavor of your meals, but they also offer a host of health benefits that can improve your quality of life. Incorporate them into your diet, your beauty routine, and even your aromatherapy practice to experience the full spectrum of benefits these citrus wonders have to offer. Their natural astringent properties make them excellent for skincare, while their invigorating scent can uplift your mood and refresh your senses. Embrace the power of lemons and let them transform your health and well-being.